Whoosh, pepe. This is eHarmony News. Haiti joins eHarmony to find Soulmate president. This is Max Gouzier reporting. Following a string of unsuccessful and disappointing relationships, Haiti has decided to join eHarmony, an online matching service, to find her soulmate president. The Caribbean nation, which has nearly given up on ever finding the right person for her, has decided to give the matchmaking site one last chance. It's no secret that for more than 2 centuries, I've had bad luck in relationships. I've been mistreated and I've endured years of empty promises, said Haiti, who considered staying single for a while. But I just know the right president is out there for me. While there are more than 30 candidates currently wooing the beautiful island, Haiti prefers to keep her options open. Every time I meet a candidate whom I'm super excited about, I quickly fall for that person and I call them my president. Then a few months later, I found out that this individual is insincere and shady, added Haiti, who has been hurt badly in the past. This time, I'm taking it slow to know if we're both truly compatible. After signing up for the 7-day free trial, Haiti promptly filled out the compatibility questionnaire, set up her profile, and posted a few recent pictures of her. Haiti believes she's not asking for too much. I'm looking for a person who is honest, works hard, and truly cares for me, she wrote on her profile. And I also hope to find someone who likes kids, because I have 10 million at home. Although she hasn't found her match yet, Haiti is hopeful that the online experience will lead to a more satisfying relationship. Surely $59.95 a month is a costly membership subscription, but it would certainly be worth it if I can finally find my knight in shining armor dream president. This is Max Gouzier for eHarmony News Network.